Watch episode 3 and 4 back release.
Dan, are you forced?
Anyone I wanna subscribe, I go and make on the rich. I go and make on the what? I go and make on the rich. So subscribe now. One Maggie Films. And not two.
Money you make it though?
Me know, but not because me want the money. Me go watch you drunk and vomit and drop down the ground.
Yo, stop fighting it. You're too low. No, wait, man. Yo, fight me now, yo.
Maggie Films.
Maggie.
Hey, squeak. Hey, baby donkey go a hee haw. Donkey go a hee haw. Donkey bring me one. Donkey bring me one. Anything we go down until top of seesaw. Anyway, you see the donkey, so me not care. Me not travel upon no country bus. Me a travel upon the donkey. Whoa, squeak. Me not travel upon no. Hey, yes, one of that country boy. Not no nice like when I travel upon the donkey, no. I'm my son to tell you. Whoa, Schoolie, come donkey, one. Whoa, drink some water now. Tapa river now. Whoa, Schoolie, me not travel upon the country bus. Me a travel upon the donkey. Hey, Schoolie, aye, whoa, easy now, donkey. Whoa.
Timber boy. I go and make you rich. But you have to keep your mouth. Your heart weak, Timber boy.
out on the dish them. Sail out on the dish them. Sail out on the dish them. Sail out, sail out, sail out. Later. Nice pocket dish now. Sail out on the dish them. Sail out, sail out. Sail out on the dish them. Sail out on the dish them. Sail out, sail out. Sail out on the calabash dish them.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Sail out on the calabash dish them. Sail out. Hello? What go on, sir? Okay. I can come to the bank tomorrow. Sir. I know I'm in the delinquent category, man, but just give me some time. I'll take in the documents tomorrow. Alright. Tomorrow. Sail out on the distance. Sail out. Sail out. Sail out on the distance.
Oh. Hello? Hello? Yeah? I'm at the machine now. No problem, 20 grand. So I have US, I don't want to give it to US. So yeah, I draw the money. No problem. All right. Yeah. Beg you, Jamaican, eh? As man get rich, you know, money. You have a backline after this.
They have drink white rum now.
Long time. All right. What you?
17,700.
All right. Cash out of that change of your tip there.
Wow.
If the boss man fire you, you know me there.
Respect general.
We are dear.
What mean I'm there?
You feel the 2 months of prison?
She's still in prison?
No.
She's not coming out. I will find out.
Oh, what?
You take man to the phone, not sure.
What you mean?
Yo, a fool, you take me fine now. Me everything, you know. Me everything from your friend tell me everything. One thing I want to know, I want to give me the information about that man there. Because you know, I'm fresh with that jail, I'm broke. I need some money right now, and the only person can start up right now. So what you say? Talk to me now! I want to know where he live. Everything about him. You understand me I say? Come over, son, girl. Where you say I go on? I want to know everything about him where he live. Come here, man. Yo, I'm not want to hurt you, you know. Because you know, say, hey, if I want to hurt you, I hurt you already. Every information. Stop. Stop.
Yo, my general. Which part down live?
Right, now bottom left.
Don't get some?
Yeah.
Alright, respect.
Some more coming.
Alright. Beside that.
Fall asleep. Wait for every forward in.
How we are again?
Don't worry about me, man. Yeah, man, you know if you do the right thing. Throw the paper down other people. See where I go now? Just cooperate the city. Yo, we are. Just tell me we are. Eh? Alright. Just cooperate the situation, everything go alright. Put your hands together like a clapping something. You man, right? Hands together, huh? Oh yeah, done.
Don't worry, stop. Don't worry about that, man. Forward. Up. Yeah. make this complicated. Oh, yes, sir. This one, yo, Mr. Alright, you walk on. Just this time you walk. Alright. Shut up, come on, man. Oh, shut up, brother boy. Nice place like the Prince. What's up? I'll go ahead. Yeah. Are you from grow up on the street? Wow. Virgin. I know, yeah. Try to change my life. And long time I see a man like you to grow up on the street, the Virgin. That's cool. So what you care for me? You know, say right now, I do some food more get right now, but me soon start you up on what you know what I mean, you deserve. You know, yeah, so everything good though? I mean, everything good. So what you say, I want that food? Yeah, man, I have food, I'm hungry and me can't see it by, you know. That's cool, man. I wonder if I really foreign I come from. Rough. Enough things are going on. Boy, I'm tell you, man, we got to see you still. Because I still have a song. What all that food, man? Look like you wait for me, man. Why can't I wait for you, man? That's cool, man. Every good I see that say, you know. Yeah, man. That's a spirit run, you know. That's cool, man. That's spirit, man. We glad to see you, man. You drink so there? Yeah, man. Do you want to drink so now? I want to drink so. We go back to the for drink, all right. Yeah. I make so much noise in the back of the vehicle. Yeah, you're... Come on, you Yo, what is Virgin? Come on, you eat a hiccup, because why me don't eat? You have food here, hiccup, you know. I say, yeah, man. Still, you don't look too bad still. Yeah, I try all the time, you know what I mean? Things that we not going for you still. You know, I try to get into the fitness shape and put my life in order and all them something that's that me depend right now. But yeah, what you gonna do? I'm gonna take your food and cut to them because I have some other things to start out. Yeah, you know what I mean? So I want that me in the car like I want goat. No, you are going. I just one machine. You know, so when the current when gone, everybody I try to run out, you know, get some compressor and something. So me have a machine in the vehicle, so that me I say me don't want to get too hot. But me realize, but me like that so like a human. No man, a human man. A phone you hear like machine. A phone you hear also like. Yo, big up on me. Everybody, you see again, man. Respect yourself. Yeah, man, brother, take care. All right, sir. All right, brother. Yeah, man. All right. I'm hungry no more. Shut up your mouth, man. Yo, I'm hungry no more, yo. When them police boy do this. Look at the time Go and buy them park up. Yo, make sure you shut your mouth around there. Check time pass. Yeah, let's just see how it's going. Yo. Are you going now? You have to make some phone call. You know. Look at your man. You hear that, man?
Turn right on Dockrell Road, A2.
Shut my mouth, Siri. Water alone can't be in over Yo. No. Guy, remember now. Hungry? So take off this off. Take off, man. You mad? Eh? What do you think is that? Relaxing zone? You think a chill spot? Hold on. Yes, Mr. Brown. It's done here, man. Could you please lend me like $30 million, please? I'll get it. No. All right. Okay then. Even off? No. All right. I'm gonna get two this one. Hold on. I can't get him. You can't get one. Yo, now ramp with me. I think I joke business. Eh? I call two more. I'm a business partner. Yeah. Yeah, Shandon. Kinda then I want a problem here. I don't know if I could have lent me $30 million until yeah, I lose my business them, but me sure I can get it to you. Like sure so I can get it back. I want like a problem in man. Somebody man, I'm up. Yo. Hold on, man. I can't. You think I fake things, this, sir? Hold on, man. You think I fake bullet, this, sir? Hold on, man. Eh? Hold on, man. Hold on. Why don't you stop with my blinking time? You know, I'm about to drink something. Hold on. Why, man? Hold on. Let's get to me. Hold on. Yeah, you have one. Give me phone. Joke this is the phone. Yo, you waste my time. That me I tell you. I'm based on where you're going right now. You tell me say you're a phony, you're a fake. Hold on, man. Hold on. Give me one more call, please. One more call. For sure I can do it. Hurry up. I don't really have no money now, but I have business partners that can help me. Business partner? Just think a partner plan this. Yeah. Big Joes, what go on? Yeah man, a Dan man. Dan man, a different, no, not my number this, we just get a call, you know? Alright, you know, I don't know if you could just please lend me $30 million. No man. Oh God, man. Yeah, man, they lose the business them, but we still can line up back something. If you can really help me out, I would be grateful for that, please. Huh?
Oh God.
Yo,
Hold on, he saying phone battery there dead.
phone battery there. The time I run out, that me I tell you.
Hold on. I'm gonna call him. Good boy, man. You tell him the 30.
Good boy.
Yeah. Right. Straight voicemail me. Hold on.
Yo, you waste me time.
Hold on.
You waste me
Alright,
time.
hold on. I have one virgin. Him not have no money still, but him can really borrow it. You understand?
Who that?
Same virgin they see me down at supermarket, man.
That who? That
Same with the kick off, man.
hold on, you talk about say that punchy man there. The farmer there. Farmer looking brother.
I'm a virgin, man.
Hey Bertrand.
Yeah.
Alright, you are going.
Alright.
You waste my time, I
Hold
can't
on,
tell
hold
you.
on.
Man, none of money.
No, man. He can borrow a loan or something, man.
Brother, 5 seconds. 5.
Yeah, baby. You know, see, I know when you yard me there. So ask me what I reach you. You know, always live a key knife flowers garden. Oh, you'll find where you come. Hold on then. One number come. Come back if you can, but hold on then. Yeah.
Hello? Timbo. Done, man.
Done. What?
Yeah. Yeah, I know you don't have no money, but Timbo, then I want situation. I don't know if I could have linked pastor by church. Or see if I can borrow a loan. I don't know. I need 30 million. I don't know.
30 million?
Just link a pastor or something. I don't know, but
Pastor. That is your way, sir? Right now, pastor doesn't want 30 million to give me no much half in my teeth and he still carry 30 million. Who me ever borrow loan from now?
Timbo, right now I don't have a problem. You see me out of the build me up at the supermarket. You have me.
Yeah, too much information, man. Yo, do what you do or you don't do what you do or what. But do it fast. Because a fake version coming like it's a fake. Yo, do what you do, you know. I have to go drink a rum right now because you waste my time. Hold on, power.
Hungry to you, man.
Hungry? Or eat food, man.
That's cool, man.
I would have been had the tip from that. I hang up in them years. Why then? Yeah, you're bridging, but God no. $30 million. But you did, man. God no. But you did. 30 million, too much. No, we can't. Then we go give you 30 million and then we go broke. No, Dan. Avi, but we can't help you. 30 million. You take up it for what? To save one life. No, Dan. Where you come from far, but just rest in peace, R.I.P. Can't help you. Or you come home here, baby. Go pump your woman here, man. No me this. Wait. Yeah? Look how many they suffer. Oh, me go back. No.
And then, more than never do that in the life. He said, I look with that, he can't wind up. And even the guy trying to get rid of that now. And it just happened as a kid challenge. Woman never do that to my daughter. Never. Me know. He catch me that. Mother never do that to me, daughter. Shani, this is where I come from.
You don't matter where I come from, me here every day.
What you mean, Shani? And you know, I know what you think, you know.
What you mean by no women team? Mommy, you say you poison me.
Me daughter, no, I know that. I know that me I talk about. I know so you go. I know that. Me would have never poison you, me daughter.
You try to poison the person I'm falling in love with. What you mean by no women think?
Shani,
It's alright, you don't have to explain yourself to me. Me, I'm gonna leave.
no.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Shani, I never ever tried myself.
Yo. Yeah, see I stay tonight. You know? Yo, hear me, I say, man. Right now, touch yourself, you know. Because you pretend like you have money. Because you have harbor that shit. And you have supermarket and all these things. Yo, shut your mouth, man. Yo.
No money, brother.
Where me still have money? Eh?
No money.
Yeah, you, man. Yo, I see you sleeping, you know. See? Hungry, tomorrow you get something to eat.
No money, brother.
Now, wake up, man. Come on, man.
Yo, you are going now. You are going now.
See? I.
Alright. You are going now. You see, based on the facts, you have waste my time. I eat this one. Eh? What do you mean?
Yo, what you mean? No, right, at least right now, I tell you that. You understand what I say? What you mean cool now? You waste the blinking time, bro. Eh? You don't have money. You're going like a hype off money and all these things.
No.
Eh?
Man, the phone ring.
You mean your phone a ring?
Phone ring. Oh, let me talk to you first. Now. Yo! I'm going to talk to you, sir.
Yo,
Hold on.
Mask it. Don't take it off, that boy.
Alright. Yo! Oh. Timber! Oh no. Yeah. In the side of me, man. He say I want to talk to you.
Talk to who?
Yo,
Who that?
I'm a virgin, man. He want to talk to you. I don't know if he can get the money for borrow. Talk to him now.
Give me the damn phone, man. Yo, who this? Eh? Why Danny is a lucky man, that's all I can tell you. Yo, make sure you not ramp with me, you know. Because you put yourself in one situation where anything are for him, are for you too. You understand me I say?
More forward, man. More forward, man.
Meet me over Shanice's house. You handicap, man? You handicap?
No.
You handicap? Me say you handicap. You handicap?
No, brother.
Yo, meet me over Shanice's house. Man, I didn't waste my time. What's up with that phone,
Shut up, brother.
Mama Murray.
Wait, you two know each other?
Yo, I know you don't find you know, cause yo, I can't believe say me man come on my yard. Eh?
Dan, you're right? Like, what's happening? What you mean me make man come in here? I don't understand.
So no be the band.
Son, what's happening?
What mean say what's happening? No, I nothing from you know, that me I tell you, you know.
Like,
Me man come no, step back.
What you mean step back?
Just step back.
This is my house. What you mean
Just
step back?
Step back, cause right now I'm in a depend where you depend, you know.
Excuse me?
At 6 months me there at jail now. So you just step back.
I
See?
heard that you're here, but I'm seeing you for the
I not check for me. What's
happening? Like, child, what's happening? What is happening here?
What mean say what's happening? Don't worry about that. I wait for the thing I come right now, right? You see how
What is
me
happening?
don't want to hear nothing from you. That's simple.
What is happening? Son-in-law, what is happening? Excuse me. Dejan, please. Look at my child. Look at my child.
Don't want to really take.
Shanice.
This is not the time, you know.
Devian.
This is not the time, you know, because you know, say, this is my woman, and you have man come up here.
What do you mean of man? What do you mean of man come up here? What are you even talking about?
So with the man, yo, where you go? Yo, come over.
Dan.
Right there, sir. Hey, yo, Mama Murray, just ease the man, you understand
What's
what's going on.
wrong with
What
you?
mean say what's wrong with me?
What is wrong with
Later on, I'm going to find what's wrong with me. Yo, just don't move from this, so that me I tell you. See?
Devian.
You explain to her what going on already?
Devian.
You explain to her the truth. That's why she going so. That's a surprise. Eh? Yo, what the man there, brother? What the man there? That me I talk about. You be enough time for waste or so?
What man? Like what man? Which man is coming?
What do you mean,
Like
sir?
which man coming to my house now?
Mama.
Which man coming to my house? What is happening?
I said she can't chat.
Shanice, what's happening? Talk! Don, what's happening?
Like him tell her what going.
Devian.
One thing I tell her, Mama, you say, you get yourself in a certain things when you need to get no. That me I tell you now. You need to go relax yourself and go and go sleep. Right now, it's a transaction I wait for the sort out and let the place. I know. Yo, what the man there, brother?
Transaction?
Don't worry about that.
Hello?
Yo, just forward through the gate and forward through the door there, sir. And come up a step.
No.
I'm gonna move so slow, man.
At your place.
Mama, yo, come here, something wrong with you now. Man, I take time walk, man.
Devian, I never knew you would be such a bitter fruit towards us.
Now you know. See?
Very good. Make sure you know. Come on, sir.
Yo, you done with it.
Yo, Reggie, we carry 30 million, the man. 30 million. All in the US.
Yo, make sure you're not shot, you know.
Alright, no good. Done. Come on.
Yo, don't move from there, sir. Me have a surprise for you all around. See? You wanna treat me like I want punk in this place here. Yo, you see how you done? Nobody down left this place right now. Done. Are you first? Hey boy, look at me. Look at me. Hey, what you do? What you do? What you do? Call us police. Look at me, man. Look at me. What you do? Look at me.
Happy Mother's Day.
Mother's Day, Miss Man. Ah, boy.
Where you going?
I have some unfinished business to take care of.
You don't have to leave so fast, you know. You can stay a little longer, even until tomorrow.
The church is the person who fall in love with. What you mean by you know what it's alright, it's not expensive to me, may not need. No, it's not
Hold on. We gotta go one station.
Now, if you carry it over station, we'll show them how we come by the 30 million when we give. You see 30 million when they take up? I have to carry them documents and show them how we make it.
Oh.
If me not carry, then we'll watch here. Because I want to make the money laundering. You understand?
Okay, so proof them then.
Proof.
Alright.
So, that's come on, man. Everything good.
Business they are legitimate. Alright.
Yeah, I'm legit, man. But I don't know. Alright, then. See you guys, Hassel. See you guys, come.
Yeah, man. Come, man.
Right.
How I see. What they say bring you?
Bank statements, documents of the business.
What bring them now?
Officer, your job that's in you want to see where my money come from. But that's feeling me, you know. You see?
No.
So that's the bank statement. This is my business certificate. I'm allowed with this.
Oh, turn on your phone, sir.
Sorry about that, officer.
What? Which bank this come from? Me not in a bank in your bank.
Oh, you can't have serious. You see big all them see. What there?
So it's up here.
You can't blame me a long time after months. Money just a flow in my account.
It's a 3-month worth of bank statement.
You don't want more than that. We just need that to start the business. What you want? You want 1 year?
Tell us 6 months. What is
That's a business registration. You should say nothing illegal.
how long you have a business now?
3 months. You don't see bank statement.
You have a business 3 months and it will make 30 million.
Look for the good. Me no fraud.
Let me tell you from now. You see, if this bank statement not add up to what you say, they will go to prison. You hear me, sir?
Yeah, because people, I never shouldn't tell you say me rich. I mean, I should tell you that. Me a rich man, I want to man.
Yeah, so. Yeah, I'm sending the stats them.
Wow.
No man, on 3 minutes ago. Just check your email. Alright.
Worst situation I'm up here.
So,
You know, find way out for you.
this is yourself. Bleach. And
Yeah, I'm here at supermarket, I'm here close to it. Yeah, read out my business now, me get knocked.
So what you there for?
You don't want to know, say, oh, boss, did I have a program out there, you know? Program did I go on good enough, but me don't know what go on. Brother, it's like boss, he messing up everything gone. It was like the man move and just take everything with him, boy. Mash up my mates, brother. So you don't know how man stay in the streets, you know? Cause food have to eat, so I'm gonna try one also. And I try to do back the same thing, but it don't work out. Boy, I grab my man. Mash up my little plan star. I wanna know, say, at 2. Boy. So come on still.
Yeah?
Yeah man, me about 2 months left, man.
2 months?
Yeah man, me about 2 months left in this, man.
Boy, brother, life me there for to baseball. And the man mash up me and them sitting there, yo. Yeah man, be a karate kick. All the boy there, or give me some karate kick and hire who and then sitting there. Wait. He must have sit around and fall down here, man. Just wait. But brother, you're lucky me stuck down here.
I forgot give you one marker. You start mark your calendar, you know. You look like you're going to do all of this a while, yeah. Your life imprisonment. So make sure my excess in my 2 months soon done. And I do not to jeopardize that.
My God. God of mercy. Why come here?
Yes. Anyways, I'm going to submit them to the court. I'm going to put them on the case file. Yeah? You have anything else you want to tell me?
Well,
before you say anything, the rest of you then, a life man get, you know.
me wouldn't mind him get all debt and a life. Me don't want to have no life.
You don't see back road for now.
No, me want him for dead, no life. When you give them life and give them debt, that's the new law, give them debt, no life. When you give people, like they never kill people, you give them debt, not life. Only need to change the system. You can't give murderer life. You have to give them debt.
You want to say something? Police right there, lad?
Alright. Let's see how the $30 million I want to have.
But where you go so fast?
My friend out there wait for me.
No, ask you a question. You really, how long do you have money?
You gone back for
You
them.
rich?
Me said,
You ask, you rich?
of course me rich.
You're a wealthy man.
Yes.
Anything you say, you have to say it to the court. You know?
Me rich, man.
You're rich.
Yo. Officer, make me everything cool. As I put myself in one spot and I shouldn't do. You know what I say? I'm just change life penalty and put your death penalty. You hear?
Anything me call it, yeah?
And the $30 million, I don't think you are going to find the box.
You know, I get it back for now going on.
That's why I say, you're not going to find it. You might have it now.
Now you lose everything, Timber boy. You should have keep your mouth.
What do you? What do you?
Shouldn't tell the police them that, man. Shouldn't do that.
You know, what do you mean I shouldn't tell the police them?
We poor, you know, that. We shouldn't tell them that. I'm too rich, you know. I'm here one day, you know.
What you talking about?
I shouldn't tell them. Like that. That's the great. You shouldn't tell what you don't know about.
No, but how that, you don't understand. What I have to do with it?
Long story, man. Just come on. Maybe when you're rich up here, me explain everything to you right now.
No, nothing, no.
How come you live lavish, man, with the NLC and everything? Y'all up. Boy, Dan, I'm glad you come to the station with me, you know, but the thing is, if I want to carry the 30 million and go give the man same way, the man could have dashed away same way. And if I never the girl mother, oh, mother they talk to you now. Sorry for you still, you know, although you know some name did like her one time, but boy, no. Why? I just one of them days, you know. Everything will be alright. Shooting. Wow! Look at that. Look at that in her belly. Well, I wish if look at Timbo in her belly too, you know.
Evelyn. What?
I'm good, you know.
You alright?
Yeah.
Dan, I'm cook when I ready the food in there.
Yeah, baby girl.
Yeah? Timber, if you'd like, you can stay for dinner.
Yeah, man, all 5 plate, like, you know.
Alright.
You are cooking, you know.
Alright.
So, where you see I go, you know, reason?
Yeah, man.
Alright. What nice wife you do.
I tell her, boy.
Yeah. Let's see how one, you know.
Boy, I'm just there, boy. Just there, boy. All the things up on my brain, my ears.
Done.
Yeah, baby girl.
May I go by the farm and get some tea bush, alright?
What's the other?
May I go over the farm and get some tea bush?
Alright, go on and come now. Be careful now.
Why am I tell you, Dan? You know what I say? Why, Dan? God no. We really want that $30 million there, you know. Because guess what, no? Could I give you 15 million out of it? You could have set up your house and buy a crib and everything. Baby can run around. But just lose it like that.
I feel like you'll get it back still, because remember they must say, after I court finish, you'll get it back.
No, get it back.
You'll get it. No.
I tell you, Dan, between me that money gone for good.
Okay, gone.
Even though you see me I run a legit business, that's what that me can own again. Everything gone. I'm broke. Totally broke. The jewels them when you see on my hand, I sell them, I have a look to sell them. All you see me, I'm broke. You don't understand?
Hold on. Hope your situation sounds similar to mine, sir.
What do you mean by sound? Like fear? Dan, no, tell me, say, what do you mean we say mine sound like fear? Dan, no tell me.
Hold on, let me tell you what I got. You know what I'm saying, rich? My own, you see the 2 stores them in town, you have that shit.
And the supermarket? And me ask you who own it, and you never tell me?
I couldn't tell you, Timber.
No, you couldn't do that, Dan. Me and your brethren, you could have live lavish.
I couldn't tell you, Timber.
Why?
But you never tell me say you rich either.
I understand that part. I say good. Sometimes secret out made to keep, but you see, we're mouth, and now I'm broke. Huh? I don't understand this life right now. You see how many they live? Hennessy on top of Hennessy.
Hold on. You said mouth. I see him thing happen to me. What going? What going on with you?
You know what, if I tell you the truth, Dan.
Something alright.
You see donkey the way you have. Me a part of company in the bush and nearly a timber. You know make you rich. Me say me couldn't do more than pass out. And when me get up back the next day, money just a come. Business just a come to me. But now everything gone. You see, $30 million, I'm sorry for the police. Because that gone too. So all them are going to look things and them are going to get that. That will vanish. Money just a come. That's why the business is there for sure where me I get the money from. The money just a pump in the donkey and make money pump in.
Timbo.
Eh?
You can't believe.
What? Believe what? Wait there. I did donkey make you rich. Remember, you know? As somebody else, we seen at the supermarket and we go in there and buy two different owners. So I did donkey and I don't what.
Hey, darling. Don't run. You don't have to run. Don't run, darling. Don't run. Me nah me. I want to make you rich, but you have to keep your mouth. You have to keep your mouth. As a little lady do, your heart stronger than for timber.
Done!
See how you can make up money, boy, and idea, boy.
I tell you, big money you have to make again, you know, man.
And go around a market, tell you.
Market look festive.
Wait, Moscato, where you going with?
There, man.
Alright. I go up a market, boy.
Renu Rana
Get it. We Irish, yam, banana, pumpkin. Yam. Everything there.
Pepper. Irish cabbage.
Yam, banana, tomato. Sweet pepper.
Them say 1,200 a pound, but me I gave 1,000. Come up.
Yam, banana, Irish, tomato.
Seal out.
Ready. Stay out there, yo.
Them there, get it ready. Get it while
everything there, people, see it here.
Back in the street.
Stall full up again. Ready.
Why we can't meet them with the turn down selling?
Why?
And see me again.
Those were the days, boy. I remember one time I saw nothing at the pan stall here. God is good.
Yeah, man.
God is good. Yeah, banana, tomato, Irish.
Come get it while you can.
You see that brother there?
Boy, Mr. Brown. I just say I can't dare so I work me working. Because I mind my own business, you know. I'm not too responsible people, you know. Just I do my thing.
Can't take you walking, you know. We have to go.
Go on, Uncle Joe. Blessed man.
We have to go use the donkey, you know. I tell you the truth. Can't take you walking.
We have to rest the donkey more, brother.
Watch out, kuchi.
Put your bag over there, son.
Oh God. Uncle bring back City here, yeah? Favorite. Sweetie.
No.
Anyway, still, you know. Now we're too old enough, you know, because I'm tired, you know.
Yeah, go in.
Yeah, so I'm going to hold her fresh. Alright, look who won.
Tell Uncle later. Tell Uncle.
Later. Check it.
Tell Uncle. Tata.
You don't like me, you know why you don't like me.
Wow.
So, my dear, I think I'm me. Me do want to say about something. So now that we have the baby and thing, right? I think it's just not convenient enough no more.
What wrong with the place?
What you mean wrong with the place?
Nothing wrong with the place, babe.
Nothing ever wrong with it when it is just the two away, but now that we have the baby, we have to think ahead. This not convenient.
What are you talking about? The heat?
Me talk about the living overall. It just not when I running water, this just not go well. Suppose if you crawl out one day, the zinc cut out, what we gonna do?
But you know, we can't go too far from the farm. Plus, we don't have no money. So what we are going to do?
Then we can get somebody to look about the farm. Don't worry about the expenses, me cover it.
You what?
Me will cover it.
Cover expenses?
Yes.
Are you not working, B?
Just don't worry about it.
Alright. Alright.
When they have off, we need to go look for one place.
Put my body in yourself.
We can take tomorrow then?
We'll see how you go.
Okay.
Alright, I'm not coming.
Yes, Elaine. Give me my special.
Timbo, what?
Oh, man.
Right?
Yeah, no stress out, man. A long time I see we come in.
I know we always drink, don't worry yourself.
Oh. Woo!
I want one Timbo. What you look so?
What do?
What you mean?
It look good.
Look which good.
Yeah.
Couple months ago when me say you look good, me not tell no lie.
Oh!
Clocks and big chain and all kind of things here, you know.
I borrow goods.
Timbo, me know your style. I know so you look. Me know say something wrong. Something
No. I borrow goods. Me tell you, I borrow goods.
Oh, borrow good.
All the way to me, you know, really real. I just borrow and you do a look thing me that show somebody.
Me don't like how you look.
I saw me normally look, but you see when you see me over there, I borrow goods, you know.
I don't believe you're sitting and sitting. Timbo, what happened to you? You can't tell me no.
No, but I serious level for you. I borrow that. One more. Woo! Oh boy. Full it up, man. Full it up.
No.
Every time I come here,
You go
try
pay
to
feet and do shot you want?
No.
So what you talk about? Your mad, you know much you want back there?
I'm matter of fact, no chase upon this. I fall.
Timbo, you tell me to not put no chase upon it. You see same thing? You want to look what?
Woo!
No bother with it, so you know. No bother with it, Timbo.
How much present?
Eh?
How much present?
Eh?
63. Oh God. One more.
One more? No. No bother with it. Me not give you no more because I don't want you drop down in here. No.
I'm stressed, man. I'm stressed.
You're stressed. And you feel so when you drink, the drinking can make you overcome your stress.
I feel like, yeah, I'm stressed.
No, you can't do that.
You don't know me.
No, Timbo, I want the money, but you drink too much.
You're suffering in silence.
No, you're drunk and I say, go on home, you're suffering in silence.
Yeah.
So you feel say drink? No. You better you go on your yard. Me not give you it.
How money you make it though?
Me know, but not because me want the money. Me go watch you drunk and vomit and drop down the ground.
You know, man. Anybody come and buy you, if you can't tell them the whole shop, you tell them it.
No, me not want to get in no trouble sake of you. Go on. Alright, go on. When me see you, me collect your money. Me not even bother want to collect your money. Right? No. When me see you, because me know you, me know say we pay your name in my book. So go on. Think me can't give you nothing more for drink. Me not like how you do yourself. Something wrong.
No, not really wrong. I don't know how me can tell you right now, because just all you need to know me I suffer in silence, but I say you.
I don't know.
How many put bucket again?
See bucket man. I must say the next one round also.
Alright. Suzette. Yes, Susie. Sasha. Soreen. Kayla. Yeah. Buddy, alright.
Let's see bucket, brother.
You not see none? Let's feed him.
Are you put on your bucket the last time?
Yeah, I think so. Alright, everything good. Susie, no worry ahead, don't soon get good take care and more money shall come in. 2, 4, 6, 8 hours. Alright.
Fine, man.
Okay. Silence up for a moment.
Girl? Say other day one big piece of Tory pop out round the road there.
What that? How many hear about it?
A big sitting and go along round so.
What do?
When with my neighbor.
You know she love people business so much?
Yes.
Love people business so
She
much.
get her man bun.
See who tell what me that talk about earlier they come?
We shoot.
Him.
Oh.
You know?
Dan?
Yeah, you know him?
Of course me know him. Me know him.
He need help.
Oi. Yes, when you see them reach us, shut your mouth and change the subject. When they do maths, make we do English.
Okay.
You know them style, but that make it look suspicious.
Yeah, me not make it look suspicious.
Anyway, you drink coffee or water already?
Yeah, you done. Bad.
Boy. Dan. Yeah, pass me so like you not see me.
What?
You know me there. Me did want to talk to your friend the other day, you know. John.
Talk to me.
Yeah man, come here.
Oh, go on, I'm still in.
You know say a friend that day I apologize to you.
Apologize?
Yeah.
What you not do me nothing, still in? What reason?
To you, it don't look like me do anything, but me, my conscience, I eat out. Me can't sleep at night time.
But what you do me, Silly? You not do me nothing. What you do me then?
I just some problem with Gudong the other day, you know?
What that?
Just something, man. I just something. Something happen.
Why you not talk to me, Silly?
No, something happen, man. Me not think me in a mood to talk about it, because the way I feel right now, me feel hurt, like that shouldn't happen. But me sorry about it. Me just ask if you can forgive me.
Why you not tell me? You not tell me how I'm Silly. How me forgive you, you not tell me how I'm Silly.
Just remember, say me apologize to you.
So you not tell me how?
Me just sorry. Me sorry about everything we good.
No, but you not tell me how I'm Silly.
Me not think me can talk about it, because the way how
alright, it's alright then.
things go down right now, me kind of feel away.
It's alright. Well, if you say do me something,
Where you coming from? Which friend? One friend.
Alien tell me say, he see you and the little dirty foot down the chat wine. And make sure say, and you are him don't know. Make sure that the armor from the piece to the story is not true.
I don't see what you do me.
You
What?
don't see it, but me know what happened. I just don't feel like we talk about it. I just want to know, so I apologize to you in case you go hear about it. And my name calling night, me sorry.
Alright,
I
listen
ask
there.
you to forgive me, yeah?
Take it easy, eh?
Alright.
Anything you do me forgive you. Because I know say nothing to do me. Right?
Yeah, man.
Anyway, Princess. Yeah. Later on, yeah. How gonna joke a coyote? You know, joke for me?
Yes, sir.
One on the yard, man, look coyote, man. Someone and I laugh, so man. I couldn't say joke for a man. Yeah, my BMW. I'ma pay down on my BMW. Yeah. Tell Danny now. Say BMW I got ready for the market. Yeah. Project shop.
Who that again?
I'm here again, man. I'm Timbo.
Are you blood?
Yeah, man.
Boy.
My BMW.
Glad to see you, man. I want them and tell us say I hot machine. Watch you know. Money business I know it come from. You sitting out, man. I work for people I check money. I one kickstart.
And that me I tell my friend and he think a joke.
No, not
You know how long
I something, brother. Me I tell you say. Watch you know. Watch you know. When you look on the back first now, where you go? Long bed. Whole you can go on in a distance, sit there solid. Watch you know, man.
I know, remember so we talk about it already, you know.
We just want to just a boom and pump.
No, me tell him. No, me not.
One kick.
Me tell him.
Gone.
Me tell him about the tire already.
You see this a company, and this a company I give Hummer and G-Wagon, and none of them are the company there. Range Rover, it give them problem. Brother,
so you have a key?
losing none of this, man.
You have a key?
Losing none of this.
You have a key, we can get a key.
You don't worry about no key business, man. Me I tell you, so when you come with the money, and we come make a final payment, we just a boom daddy, and we gone with it. Watch out, man.
You see that one there with the front?
Hey.
You see that one there?
You see that one there now? I want to tell you so one rich boy from cross Europe.
Yeah.
I'm pay back. But we don't know now.
No, you tell him say somebody else gone with it, because I pay a fee for my brethren. When we get this year, I go for the market.
I see me believe in a year now, I know you have a well of money. But I don't know. So what we are going to do? We are going to payment for them, I don't know. We are doing a food for them.
You say 3 payments, and I get this year one, so. I get the one, so I have 2 more.
Alright, watch out. So, hold on, man, because I never want to get it twisted. But money are heavy, though. Where you wear this, sir? Alright, so, remember doing now, no key business now turn over until we get the other payment. Alright. You hear me, I say, but my sister, you go and good already, 3 payment too. I keep on everything, as I say, I just tire for pump up, and I don't know.
And that one has a patch.
Tire pump up. And
that one has a patch.
This is ABC. We have tire where we can take off and we make that happen for you. But
like, you know, no, and I go proud of me, you know.
Hey, a big girl for you, Paul. This is sitting there when you get in, you know.
Why you send me a picture on my phone, so I can show my brethren.
Hey,
I know you're proud of me.
Rachel, I'm sending you one little video. I hit. And if you want me to drop all that the one day night, make it nice too. And make you know, say, buy out the rich boy tire. But solid man like a rock. Don't worry about it. Nothing. We'll put back the tire on that and we'll go on.
Proud of myself. And now I'm going to prove to my brethren say the donkey cart no worth I use. And this what you use. Because this name hinging. Every time the donkey, you have to all hinge me. I don't know that. This is one of us.
Brakes! Brakes! Brakes, yeah.
Look like you're a bad driver too, you know.
What?
Yeah.
I never drive a day in my life, but me
No,
understand it.
Four-wheel drive, it will help you drive.
Four?
A four-wheel drive, it will help you drive. Axe that back, axe that front. All me say, I just tire for pump up. I just
Four.
next paper them with the support.
Tell me I drive you, 4-wheel drive it. Alright.
Yeah, tell you.
We like it.
Yes, man.
4-wheel drive. So 4-wheel drive it one time. 4-wheel drive it one time.
Remember, man, say anytime you want anything good, you just come back and check Project Chop. If you want, we put on a little mirror them funny and hype up the light on top of Project Chop. You get to me and say me rate you from the day me say me done. And you come through with the payment. So it's the second payment, third payment, you just a boom, pump up tire, gear your key, one kick, and you're gone where you go. And Project Chop to the world. Done with the donkey.
One kick.
Me I tell you.
Tell you. Go back to check that now. Yes!
Boy, me I tell you something, man. Fool this year, January. But him will come back and come back to incense them. Tell a boy.
Yes, I like cassava soon come up.
Yeah, man.
Pepper, they're ready over there. So yeah, we can have quite a few can make offer. Cause boy, me I tell them I'm tired like pot. I don't know how me go back so boy, me don't want to go back.
The cabbage seed them.
Huh?
The cabbage seed them. They pick them up on Sharon.
Yeah man. But me soon
So then there.
soon show them man. Me don't remember I put them in now. I tell you the truth, I don't remember.
You need
So
to find them.
stress out.
Yeah,
If you don't understand me, I go through my stress.
You need to find them, brother.
Me find them.
Yes, it's Shanice. I was calling to confirm that you could send the 7 million to my account now. You could send it to my NCB. Alright, thank you very much. Oh, the baby, she's sleeping, man. She's alright. Okay, thank you. Alright.
I went there earlier on today about boy shop.
Eh? What is that?
Where they say, like you say you go somewhere, I don't know, you left me one yes so. Go away.
No shop, brother. We can buy the lunch. You want to go here, make me go?
No, you go on.
Alright, go on mulch up and sit them there, man.
Boy, but me did go in, but go on.
You ready for lunch?
Yeah.
Alright, I soon come.
Alright.
Where's the one mangoes bread and sardine?
Yeah, you know, yeah, talk.
Alright.
2 sardines, no matter the one sardine business, I can't share half again.
Pepsi or Coca-Cola or...
One of the big Pepsi them.
Pepsi.
Large, 2 liter.
Alright.
Yeah.
Soon come back.
Oh boy, tired.
Yeah, lucky it back.
Babes.
Hmm?
Go down and shop and forward, go get something for lunch.
Okay, so you can get something for dinner too?
Yeah, man. I'll get something for dinner too.
Buy oxtail.
Axel?
Oxtail.
Oxtail?
Yeah.
Last time I checked 1,500 for oxtail.
Don't worry about that. Let me take care of it. You want one more?
So where you get money from?
Don't worry about it. Let's say that's what I'm going to do.
Alright. Where's the oxtail?
Yes.
Alright, that soon come. I know you want me, man. I soon come. I have to work. I go shop and come. Okay? Yeah.
Man, fat up your girl though.
Sumba, sunda da da dumba, valley follow, mountain for slope. This place my home.
Dembo.
I'm not
I said I take to come man away today.
Why?
Boy.
My son a car me driving man.
That's why I tell us to
I'm gonna stress it donkey bridge and I'm gonna shop for my lady too. I walk, you know.
Yo. They are hungry, man.
Boy, man, I tell you, down the road a while ago. Why?
What going on?
You know, people turn some of youth. But me something that's puzzling to me, brother, but
What?
never mind.
Come, you buy with them?
Yeah.
2 extra sardines?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Pepsi, Pepsi,
Like
yeah.
that. Good. Yeah.
Jimmy, you know, so I make $7 million in a profit.
Yeah, man.
Dan, between me and you know.
Yeah.
It's one nice vehicle.
Mm.
Crisp. Very up to date. It can carry goods. So you can run it through there.
Chris vehicle for come to you, brother.
You have chunk. Nice.
No, brother. You can't do that with Chris vehicle, brother. Donkey road, them, brother.
No,
Donkey
man.
more suitable in the past, brother.
Listen me, Dan. Listen me.
Come on, man.
Listen me. As me tell us, I'm tired of the donkey sometimes.
Oh, you have to tell that donkey. Oh, you have to tell that donkey, brother.
You understand what I go on?
And I donkey, you know, say if you check up it, enough millions the donkey make bread, you can't get full to the donkey, brother.
No, I'm grateful. Me ease out the pressure off him now.
Cause yo, remember, you know, every day that donkey carry go to market and we make money. If you check up that over the years, enough money that, brother.
Yeah, but that the vehicle there, when
You ever throw diesel in a donkey?
No.
You ever throw 90 or 87 in a donkey?
No, but the donkey can dead.
So we no invest in a more donkey?
No.
Brother, my James have a whole heap of donkey, brother. More donkey when we can sell donkey.
Alright, one day I'll carry a picture come show you. Me check him virgin, you know. But me tell you, anytime I have the first set of money, me carry come give him. It's nice, I tell you.
So which part of the vehicle there?
Yeah, Peter Seal way. Man, you just drive. You know, on the back street when I go through South there.
Oh.
Yes.
What other car mark there? What you say name again? Sit down there.
Project Shop.
Project Chops. Oh.
Yeah.
Aye, daughter. You are going better than the man them. Them say a woman will carry a secret to her dying grave. Look like an lie.
The man them.
Don't worry yourself, daughter. Why you don't know big on you?
Oh boy. Yeah. What going on so? Hey, hello. How you do that to like donkey?
No, but just look and get big and there with it for all long.
Sure.
Yes.
Oh.
Why you ask me that?
Nothing.
Daddy girl. Some girl, nice boy.
That's silly.
Nice boy.
Nice, it's true, man. Nice. Guys, come back away from the donkey, please, and talk to you. How's it?
And my donkey.
Huh?
And my donkey.
Me never see enough of your donkey, but can just back away, man.
Okay.
Then I call her, you know? Yeah, nice.
I'm done. Make a rush go in at the town and come back. But the baby go stay.
Alright.
Make a start with something.
What kind of something?
When I come back, me tell you.
Alright.
Alright.
How are you up to? You not talk to me again. Why? Need some money. Please, talk to me or say something. Did they talk to she? Say something, no? Something, say something. We need some money. You just ignore me. I know you can chat. Alright. Alright. Want more NOC. Want to live lavish. More dollars. Talk to me now. Eh? Talk to me. Alright. Mary book again.
See Uncle Timbo there, you see Uncle Timbo?
Uncle Timbo is here.
Yeah, I'm going to Uncle Timbo.
Oh. To Uncle Timbo.
I don't want to give him too much sweet, you know.
No, man, sweet is good. You have to check them out, you know?
No, sweet no good. Sweet no good. I'm going to tell you that, yeah?
Oh, color good, yeah. Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, man, I say, I'll go by the next farm tomorrow.
Right.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
And buy potato them over there, fit up and sitting, so.
Yeah.
Go and see if we can dig up them there.
Mm-hmm.
And then, go and market.
True.
Yeah. But good work today still.
Good work.
Hey.
Huh?
You know what I say? Come to daddy. Cause you make him a cry now. Alright. See you make him a cry, man. Alright. You like Uncle Timbo.
I say, boy, wicked.
Alright, so you what?
We know who
What me do say to you? What me do say to you, you see?
Eh?
Everywhere me go, brother. As it relates to me youth, brother.
Oh.
People also.
I say what?
Never mind.
Oh.
You don't like him, not true? You look funny, man. You don't like him, eh?
You're the back with the police table because
Alright,
it's
yeah,
still
man.
warm, because she got hungry.
You feel that Timbo, you see?
Not trouble my pitney, you know. That later. Mwah.
Alright, mama soon come. You want to go, mama? No, man, mama soon come, man.
Just give her the back before she drop her sleep.
Alright, da.
What's it up like, sir?
What you doing with yourself, man? Gotcha. You tap it out, though.
You won't hate me again. I catch you, I know how to make it happen balling. Yeah, well done. I'll catch up with that, yeah? So make me soon come back.
Ah.
Charlie, we are farming. We are farming. I say walk fast, man.
We are what me done for?
I don't like your style, man. You bother me.
Me a bother you?
No. The situation.
Take time talk.
Don't take time talk to
What
me.
you mean don't take time talk? And I'm yard gate today now.
I'm out the road, see me, yard down there, so. It me feel bad.
Me go walk left hand and listen.
No, listen, the man need to know.
Which man need to know what?
Dad need to know, say I love him, pick that.
Try me and see. Try me.
No, you're wicked enough.
Oh, I'm wicked.
We can't be if you look for the picnic every day and know say my picnic.
You know in yourself say you're a picnic, you don't give me nothing for the picnic you come here to start talk about.
We tell us I'm broke.
You're not broke. Stop telling me lie. You see, Auntie Lou can give me one 300,000 for the baby. Now come to me about a picnic here. Now come to me about a picnic.
Wow.
That me say, 'cause me know you have money. Me know you have it. So until I can give me money for the baby, now come back to me with no foolishness. Me have somewhere to go. As a matter of fact, if you don't want mine, I'm quite fine. You hear?
You see you?
Me
I better tell Dan. Alright. Just go on test me, yeah? Go on test me. You soon see what you all look for.
Yeah, what go on?
You there, you know? You good?
Yeah, man.
And your baby sit down.
Yes, sir.
What's your name? Danisha?
Yeah, Danny, so I just change my phone ago, your mother gone on the road come back.
Hi, baby. How are you? Where your mommy there? Eh?
That's a
Where you just say? Your mommy gone on the road? You know, say she me go and check?
That's all.
Yeah, me did want to talk to her.
Oh, she not there no more.
About what time you think she'll come back? Or she not come back for now?
So, most of the time when she go on the road, man, late she come back, you know.
Eh?
Late she come back and boy, I tell her.
Alright.
My house is kind of hot, so just give me a buckle and
Out here so kind of cool, so she
Yeah.
must feel cool.
just give me a buckle and change the back and come back out, you know.
So you have to change baby all the while. When they not pick up, then all kind of sitting.
That's true, man.
Anyway, when I tell Shanice, me did go and check her,
Yeah.
and she need to call me because I need to talk to her about something very, very important.
Oh,
Yeah, man.
alright.
Tell her to call me, you know.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Dan, me know same time I see and talk to you, always have to got things, you know. When you
True,
tell her, you know.
But I just say, good, man.
Alright, so.
Yeah, man.
Tell her to give me a link.
Yeah, I'll tell her.
Yeah, man, she already have my number. Later.
Alright, kid.
Later, baby. Bye.
Tell me to you. Tata. Tata. For sure. You know, go hot. Daddy, I go just pop it out. Oh, see, are you here, baby? Oh, Daddy have to do this here. It a bother daddy, man. It a bother daddy. Yeah? Yeah? Daddy love you, yeah?
You hear me have left on the vehicle. I tell you, 50R engine, it's done with the donkey. Tell us what I've done with it. If you park the donkey, because look here. One of them do all of them.
What kind of car? Benz, Beamer?
BMW, man. One of BMW, one of them.
That one that get in.
I'm going to buy one for you still, you know.
Oh, that's cool, man.
Yeah, man. Donkey here. You see, it's slow. We could have reached. We could have reached. In time we done with this donkey. A pay girl, we are getting nice, you know. Pay girl, watch out. So I try to show you. Donkey and a more flexible, man.
So that a vehicle, you know what you say, buy, right?
Yeah.
Is a vehicle where run off of diesel or...
I think I'm 87, man. Don't worry about that, man.
87.
AC, floor. Man, say I just one juke start and that's it. You know, turn and start. Ready. You only want 2 tires still, you know, but it's nice.
2 tires alone, oh?
Yeah, I'm saying I'm going to check on him and I'm going to give him a thing and say, yeah, hold on pan this because I tell you, say, we just want to go one time and done.
So you have to picture it?
Yeah, man, but I have to show it on my phone. I'm going to send it.
Let me see.
No, man, I have my cellular for me, man. When I come back, I show you, man. No, you don't worry about that.
Alright, sir.
We are go down, so because I dance.
Yeah, man, I say, so when I get that car there, like we're far out, you know. One got a plantation smoke house and them place there.
No, you're talking. No, you're talking.
Big old restaurant, you know.
You know, long one go to the restaurant, they go eat some smoke chicken and some the pork. No, I don't really fancy the pork.
You celebrate this them goat there, you know.
I remember saying Beyonce goat there too.
No, I don't know Beyonce goat there, but
I
know some artists out there go and big rapper youth. But remember some of you celebrate, you know.
True.
Sir.
We have met money.
We are go up there in new vehicle. Yeah, come Jimmy, man. Jimmy, go on, man.
I walk this time.
I can't about Jimmy making a move.
It's so unfair.
I can't do it about it.
Like this here.
Catch you.
Someone turn it to you. Lock you back straight. And step on gas. How much gear like? About 20 gear.
I don't know. I never drive carrot.
Oh, God. Well,
never drive carrot.
I think 20 or 10.
Easy, Jimmy.
Oh, boy. Let me can come back like first time. You know, and turn over like...
We all get car now. We can't come off a car take it. Easy enough.
No, I want the car, I open door, man. When I fall, you see, that's why I get it.
Alright.
When rain fall, all this,
man.
we don't have to do this.
Alright, sir.
You? I can't wait when I get that BMW. I'm going to step past you. I tell you, you not want to talk to me. You not want to talk to me, but don't worry your head. I will make you vex when you see me in a vehicle, I drive it, and I whoop, go and look for me, man, look for me. Look for me, can't I hear me? Go and can't I hear me, yeah? Go and can't I hear me, because I know say you can't talk, but you don't want to talk. Wait, let me make a million again, man. Let me make a million. You know what? You know, alright. You know what, Papa? Alright. Now let me make a million. Make glad Dan gone in, you know. Now let me make a million. Alright. Alright. You know, make me make a million. Now make me make a million. Make me rich. Make me rich.
Who bagas abura?
Please. Please. No. Wait. I'm sorry. No. I'm sorry.
Have a good mind, make you not top beat yourself till all next year. Bright. They want the sweet till the rotten teeth.
I tell you, Stan. This is not right. Nan!
You.
Oh, go on.
There, man. There.
Come talk to your brethren. When I want a TV, I mash up. Just buy, you know. Just buy them the road. You are going?
Yeah.
Remember my father dropped out. Yeah, my father. A virgin when he used to be alive, right?
Yeah, man.
Me need the advice, brother.
Yeah.
Virgin. You know what said the youth I have? That a Danisha.
Yeah.
Them a tell me say I'm my pitney virgin. Like me a hear everywhere me go in the street, me a hear like people say something and me like them. Me don't know yo, me don't feel confident, me don't know.
But you can't follow people, my youth. When your kids are your kids, you know. You can't follow people say, you know. Because might be the same because youth they grow, turn big. You can't pick a feather with your head later on, so you can't make people lead you to a stray. Enough people have youth and them saying up to them and by the end of the idea. I fully want that, you know?
Oh.
Yeah.
But it's hard still, no?
You mean?
Hard, man. Hard, man.
What you mean hard?
Hard, man, cause I just feel like all my youth, and everywhere I go, people just look for me and laugh and them thing, and I don't know, I'm uncomfortable, man, but as what you say, I try to work it the way they still, but you see it, but hard, man. But anyway, I go, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Well, next time, yeah.
I laugh after me.
No, man. You
Oh.
ever take your name some money for the people?
Alright.
Because me get youth and them say same thing, my youth, and them come go big in my hand, so I'm gonna live with it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Your big son of that foreign, Paul.
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
Me and me love him, love me, and we are 24, you know.
Alright, that's enough. Let me check it back.
Mm-hmm.
See?
No for the people.
You can't get some car for a cheater.
When they come back.
And I laugh after my uncle.
No, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
Watch ya.
Me they come frighten you, you know.
No.
What going?
No.
What a way your man tell you say? Me come up here and tell you if you call me, you text so long for call me. You never want me to come check you.
You silly, you not do me that, man. Dan, give me the message until this morning. Look how long you take for coming from 8 me call you. Look on the time.
No. You see me come yesterday if you come talk to you about something very important and you gone about your business. We no friend.
Me the already gone before you come.
Me know but you take too long, girl.
I like you tell me say I come. If you did tell me say I come, I would go.
Anyway, make that stay. Rest that. That's not really important. Anyway, where your neighbor them there?
Me no, how me gonna know it?
Me no know if then they are a working class, somebody them. Because me know say neighbor love listen people business.
Me no see nobody from morning.
Anyway, we're done there.
Him no there in the bush.
When I know you there and gone about your business, either you're there or you're not there.
You
then
only
gone.
just see him yesterday because he have a baby. If me carry the baby, you would have gone too.
No, him. Okay. Anyway, girl, you see that you there? Dan me a talk. You need to take care of him. I want good youth. He struggle a lot. He go through whole heap of real things in a real life. But me rate him. Me not tell no lie. Because people tell lie upon him, then war him, he go through whole heap of sitting, sufferation, struggling. But you know what I notice with him? He never give up. I like how he stay. Dan no believe in a feeling. He no quit. He always a try not give up on nothing. So me I tell you see all your baby. You see him take care of your baby. A good youth. You know, don't?
So all of this stuff.
No, me just look here. Me and mother a friend girl. Remember, me and mother did friend, good friend. And me and friend too.
But just one day if I look at so
I know, man, me just
take care of
look,
him.
listen, you know me come down already, you know, me love start from top and come down at bottom. So you have to get used to it. Anyway, when you take care of Dan, because Dan would walk out in life just to take care of you and the baby. I don't know a big problem. Me and you know. Maybe you wonder how me know, but me know. I know, so you must know, so me know
Just
after me tell you.
Silly, you know what the problem.
The baby I know for Dan. How? Me did ask you if your neighbor them there here.
Listen, you could have asked me for go inside, you know.
Inside? The time too hot. Me want to stay out the door. This a news is hot and it puff out the road. It spread.
So
I wanna... Girl, just listen to me now, Shanice, what I'm to you.
Jesus Christ.
Shanice.
Miss Elaine,
you chat too much. Me and your friend, but you chat too much. You tell one of your friend and your friend can't tell me back. You can't do that like you want this man. Youth, if man hear there is something and me know say I go hurt, but you better talk to him about it and tell him.
Talk to who?
No must done the king know say it.
Oh, you fear talk so loud, you know them something.
Sorry.
Miss Elaine, me I tell you.
Remember say me ask you if your neighbor them there.
It no matter, me don't know who they are people.
But the place look up. Oh, sorry, alright, me take time. Remember say, Dan love the baby. And Dan believes that the baby are for him. But the baby are not for him. Girl, you go have to talk to Dan. Confront him. Listen to me. You see me tell you little while, so if you tell Dan and you take it for joke, you have to make him know because me know say Dan love you baby and Dan love you. So you see when man love kids, me know say when they hear say enough of them, I go feel hurt, him I go feel worse. But it better you tell him than somebody go tell him. You understand?
Me and think about it in a kind of person that I threaten him if you tell him cause things are go sideways on both anyhow man. Me just don't know how me go to that as the baby and a year one.
Me give you one little secret. We are woman. Me older than you, but we are woman. You are big woman to me and go older than you. Listen to me now, woman to woman talk. You see the same like how we cheat on women. And we can go give woman bun and breed for another man and give that man, you must can confront him, are your man.
But I never like that, Miss.
It go rough and it go tough and it go difficult for you to say it, but he better you spit it out and tell him. He have to get over it. He not go get over it right now. It go rough and it go tough, but you have to just make up your mind and tell him. If you not tell him, somebody else go tell him and how you go feel. Me know say him go hurt. Yeah, we get over it, but not now, me know. Because I go in though can't believe say I really no feel pick me up and put out such an effort to mind the child. But we understand that if he love you like how me see saying love you, because sometimes you see things I don't know, so you go, you know, don't you know saying love you and you love him. I'll let you make him breathe it and give you one next me later. Come on, cheer up. I want to you. I like where you're going, you know. Later, here, give me a hug, man. I feel glad so I can't chat to you one day. I remember say me and your mother did friend, you know, any little thing me have to come dash it down upon you. Before you get yourself in a trouble. Tell him. You hear what me say? Make sure say you tell Dan, you know. All right. Later.
Yo, Timbo. What go on? They know say me nah got hurt this morning. Me not feel so good. Me I got a doctor now.
Well, I don't know what happened to you every time you don't feel good. What go on?
Just so take a one check up, man.
You sure it's like that?
Yeah, man.
Alright, we keep in touch.
Yeah, man. All right then.
Well.
Yeah. Yeah. Why? I could think about them from all day, not to that you. That's a really about them.
What else?
Well, everywhere I go, like, people around some like a joke. Some like a joke go to me, you know. You know, right then joke.
Talk to me straight now.
It's alright. Not every reason. Not every reason.
Talk to me. Why you go bring it up now if you're not going to see what you have to say?
Not every reason, man. So, I'll leave out for now, yeah?
What you want to talk to me about?
When I come up, man. Yeah? I'll leave out for now. Not to do so.
Dan? What you want to talk to me about?
When I come up.
You don't know, we don't.
What you doing, man? What Edward? What go on, man?
Mr. Jones, man, how you doing?
Yeah, man.
Hold on. Yeah, hold on. See, is this?
Yes, Doc.
Whoa, that was quick. Okay.
Doc, I have to go now. You have my number, so give me a call, alright?
That's fine. All right, we'll start the procedure first thing in the morning, all right?
Yes, sir.
Listen, that was quick. Wow.
Well, most things are alright.
You should be, because I mean, that thing was successful with that young lady,
Yes,
so, you know, I'm guessing everything is okay. So, what can I do for you now, sir?
Well, Doc, yes, everything is okay with her.
So
right?
what-
But it's another situation why I'm here.
So, what can I do for you now, sir?
It's a long story, Doc. It's a long story, no, Doc. Long story. I would love to explain first. You know, maybe.
No, man, no problem, man. Have a seat, sir. Have a seat.
Thank you very much, sir. Yeah.
How can I help you now?
Like the situation really bother me. I feel embarrassed. That I don't like you.
What happened?
I just have little doubts, you know. I have a little child.
Oh, you have a... Okay.
And I have a little doubts, you know what I mean? So I would like your help.
Oh, you mean you have a child and okay, I get what you mean, like a little DNA and stuff.
Yes, right.
Why you just spill it, man? Spill it out, man. Just if you come to the right place, man. You know we do everything.
Right.
Yeah, so actually you want to
do a DNA, sir.
Alright. I have kit here, but how we gonna go about this now?
Oh, I did do a little research and I say the hair you could take a little hair from the baby. I have it with me.
You have a sample of a child's
Yes.
hair?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
It's right here, man.
Alright, wait, let me explain something here. If you're bringing hair for it, because this is very important. It's not like any regular swab. Alright?
Okay.
Yes, we have places here in this country where we do the DNA. But in a case like that, we are bringing here,
yes, sir.
It's a little more forensic like. So we're going to have to send it abroad.
Okay.
So the result might take a longer time than normal, if that's okay with you. Alright? Because normally we send that and you get it back in a matter of a short period of time. So
like how long, Doc?
You know, to be honest with you, I've done one before, and the last time it took maybe about 6 to 8 weeks just to get back here.
Oh gosh, alright, 6 to 8 weeks.
So I don't know if you can work with that, but it's gonna take a while because you have to send it over, and
I mean, it was on my mind prior to now, so
Yes.
we can hold it for 6 to 8 weeks, When I feel like
well, not a problem as long as you want to.
Yes. So can I rest this right there, Doc?
Yeah, put it down. You see,
Doc can laugh out of here, Doc. We have security now.
And listen, are you absolutely sure this is a child's hair?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. But we can't make nobody know what I'm going, so we have to take it up like.
So where's your sample?
My sample?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
Seriously?
No, really, I told me, I focus on this. Doc.
No, you have to.
But there are samples all
No.
on.
Wait. That's too much work. We just going to be hold on a sec here. I'm gonna take that here.
Yes, sir.
But I'm gonna get you swap. So
yes, sir.
It's a simple swap. Alright?
So
Albert.
Right here.
Yes. Oh man. Alright. I want this. It's simple. Just in the right and stuff like. Yeah, I'll get it deal. Let's rub it on the side here. Alright. But if it was normal, just the swab.
Yes, Doc.
It would have been easy to just, it's a little different procedure.
I didn't know about that one.
No, it's okay.
Yes.
Alright, so we have to just not to get the samples together.
Okay.
So anyway, I know say finance is not a problem for you, so.
Well, things are not really the same, Doc, but I'll try. What's the price?
Alright. Well. Alright, so actually, regular DNA it costs to 50,000 here.
Wow.
Other places, yes. But this procedure, I mean the length of time, it have to be shipped overseas and stuff, so it's relatively, a larger sum. It's probably gonna run it probably about $80,000-$90,000.
You serious? That?
Yes. Not probably. It's about $90,000 just to do that.
So Doc, you couldn't take off anything of that, please.
No. Actually, remember, we have to. It has to be sent overseas, so we can't really, So what? You can't do it like the last time. Just send the money. You still have the account number?
Yeah, I don't have the account number.
Alright, so just do the same procedure and send it. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yes, Doc.
Everything okay?
Yes, Doc.
No, man. As soon as you wire the money, the procedure starts. So don't worry about that.
So you couldn't just start the procedure because
No. We have to. No, we have to finance first before.
You don't see me go send money that man. Me just start the procedure, man. Alright, right now I account them, right? I'm gonna be frank with you, Doc. I kinda have a little problem with my account them. They were kind of investigating my accounts because they said that I have too much money. You know what I mean? So next week, I mean, like when you finish this procedure, then I'll get the money to you.
No,
right?
I'm sorry, but it can't work that way.
After the procedure, I'll deal with it, Doc.
Well, actually, I trust you because actually last time you came with us, you surprised me, so it must be, All right, I'll get right to it. So
yes, Doc. Thank you.
All right, not a problem.
Yes, Doc.
I will just start the procedure and then you just come and finish it.
All right, Doc.
All right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Just talk to the lady at the front there,
Doc. Yes, Doc. Sorry about the garbage right there.
No, man, it's all right, man. All right, I'll deal with it.
So have a good day now, Doc.
Yeah, man. Respect, sir. Take care.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes.
Oh, Michaela Dunkley?
Come in.
All right, come on.
Hey, Doc. Good to hear from you, man. Right. Okay. Get ready. All right. What time I can check you? No? All right. May I check you right now, Doc? All right. Thank you. Result is here. All right. Come in. Timbo!
Yo!
Yo, me a go in town and come up. Me still come. Just go and tap out the side there.
Alright, do your thing.
Alright, me still come.
Yeah.
Fine, still a star, no man. Watch out! Oh, God. Sorry about that, Uncle Albert. Sorry. Sorry. My mind a poor man. Oh, God, man. You know what I normally do that? No. But I got a thing upon my mind, you know?
Yeah, sorry, go.
You alright?
Yeah, man.
Oh, my senior, you alright?
Yeah, man, you alright.
Take him up to me. A long time no see.
Yeah, man.
You can put in the care, I know. Alright. Yeah, put on the road, Uncle. Yeah? On that.
Sir Jones.
Yes, sir. What you said that?
As I said, result showed that no relations whatsoever.
Hard me work in a life, man. And look what happened to me, man. Things always happen to good people, you know. Father God, me don't know why, you know. Come like a bad, me have to go turn, you know. Come like me have to go turn bad, you know. Because good people are suffering, you know, man. Shanice! Shanice!
Yes, me round here, so. Done.
Come a good youth, man. Come a good youth, man. Shanice. Why you tell me the truth, Shanice? Because me I hear from in the street all the while. It's like me there in the street and people laugh after me. Everywhere me go, me see people laugh. Old man, baby, little pitney, everybody laugh.
You say people want to laugh after you?
No, but me I hear some little things that make me not comfortable. Alright, me never want to ask you because I never want you to feel no way, right? Danisha me youth and me love her. But who are Danisha father?
You.
I mean Danisha father, Shanice, sure.
Dan, now come to me with your foolishness.
Look here. Me do one DNA, me just get a result. Danisha is not one DNA. Yes,
Why
Danisha is not my youth. So who for youth Danisha is? Danisha not my youth. So who my father? Me I wait for you. No. Me have the result. Who for youth? Whose child? Whose child? Who for child? Me nah go say nothing.
A timber baby.
What?
Just don't be upset. Dan, no, please, you come with him, Dan. Dan, you said everything. Jesus, Dan.
You ready, man? He said me have to come. Alright, hurry up, man, hurry up. We have to go to market to make some money. Whew. Chill. Wow, no. Oh. You know ready? Come on, man. We have to make money, man. Money have to make.
money I what happened so? What man shape yourself man and money we say you know. Let me tell you about the vehicle you know. Money we say. You see me? Oh.
Timbo.
Huh? Man
Listen me now, man. Listen me now, man. Danny Shana, my child.
no man.
Listen.
I feel your child.
Listen me. Timbo.
No.
Timbo.
Me I tell you I feel your child.
Timbo. Shani say your child. And the DNA come out and I'm my child. So over child. The lady say I your pitney. Shani say I your child brethren. No bother with the brother. No bother with the brother. Brother.
Listen that. Listen. Dan, relax man, we don't fight man.
Hey, stop, wanna stop. Stop, Dan, this we not fighting, but why we not fight?
No, listen.
Listen. The whole of this is my fault, Dan. I'm the day when Timbo, what going?
What going?
Nothing not going.
You good?
I'm more than alright.
Oh. So what going on yard?
Where you get so much money from?
I don't feel my money man, I just count my account, you see me?
And then your money by your account is?
Yeah, some of the money.
So let me help you count it?
No need to help account. If you beg, you beg.
So give me bigger 3 bills. You know
Yeah. Hold this 3 days. No come back and feel my money.
So give me your money for get done, no?
Listen, I know my money.
Your money.
You
just casually the roadside and count people money?
Cause that drop you off.
So you give me total people. You know how much money this? Enough money this and that? You give me $300 worth of people money?
I don't like
give
it.
me your money, make me get done.
Listen me. Shanice, one way I go. Shanice, please, me beg you. Shanice, just go on now.
I'm not going to complain because this enough.
Yeah, go on.
I'm not going to complain.
Go on. You just want to put me in a problem.
You're rich out, Timbo?
Go on now, who rich? Go on man. Sure.
Watch him. I'm friend on that, you know.
Timbo.
How that?
Morning.
Are you?
Where me, right?
Where you do ya?
Where you going so far?
Me not tell you, say, you can't come here too much time, so man.
Why? Anyway, I want to buy $300 from you. I know you have it.
Listen me, all the while you check me 5 times and I tell you, say, I don't feel me money.
Stop telling me like that.
I know my money. All when you see me a gate, I know my money.
So you can't buy it from somebody that make me get it? Because I know if I get it, I know I your money.
Shanice.
You can't just let me get, you can't let me change the US, Timbo.
Jesus, come on, be yourself, no man.
So yeah, me know say me wrong and I can't say Timbo fault either because I me choose to do all of that. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for everything and because I know say me wrong and I know your child, me I go leave just to make peace reign. Then I'm really sorry. Just no bother with the bad living. Then me can't apologize more than this. I'm sorry.
You're wicked to me too. Me call me down here, come fight me. I know how we grow. Alright then, that's my fault. It happened out of caution, you know, in terms of the money and things. And well, I tell you, we just sorry, we just hope you forgive me. Although I see money, tell them Jamaican girl and then lick you when they come on to money. We never willing to release and I just something they come and then 2 years happy
Done. I'm really sorry about everything. It was nice doing no, but I have to leave. Just to make peace reign. I'm sorry about everything.
Huh? What's money?
Dan, take care of yourself.
Dan! You just walk on? Eh? Dan! Dan! Oh, come in now.
Come.
Alright. Oh, you take some. Come on, come.
You ready?
Yeah, man, ready.
Take up your bag then.
Back on the hustling again. You see me?
Easy, Jimmy, easy, Jimmy, easy. What go on this morning, Jimmy? Easy now, Jimmy, man. Yeah, come on the cat.
Huh?
Fall on the cat, man.
Me good like that?
Me tell you, say, me good, brother. Everything good, brother. Me forgive you, brother.
No.
Come, fall, brother. Fall on the cat, brother. Me forgive you, brother.
I know you. Me know
So
you.
what do you then? Timber, me know, so me, you feel say me want fight again.
No, I know you. We talk about that every
Brother,
time.
listen what me I say. You see that what happen? Me miss Shanice and me miss me youth.
We youth.
You,
You help what I eat. We youth. We still a share.
listen what I say. Miss your youth, brother.
Right.
Right? And my youth said what you say, right?
Yeah, because we share. We share.
Because guess what? My youth, I can always be your youth in life, you know. And you did tell me already, say your youth, I can be my youth.
Right.
So we get to youth them, right?
Right. Yeah.
So if you did get the youth from a different girl, where you say, oh, that my youth said you, right?
I don't fear you same way because we are one. We work together. But I know you have a problem now.
No, stop say that, brother, because last night when I go in, I sit down and I say, brother, this could happen to me too.
Sure.
Timber, this could happen to you. See, for the you deliberately go look her and she come on your yard and do that, brother. That
Right.
happen to all the pastor, brother.
True. It can happen to all the deacon, but make we go and market.
So listen me, Timber. Listen me. We are brother for life.
True.
Brother, listen me now, man. What do you relax now? I say me good. What?
I still don't understand, but make it go on.
Alright, just calm down now, man.
Me good, man.
Yo, look for me, my youth. I say we good, brother. It could happen to me, right? Alright. Jimmy, go on.
Yeah, Jimmy, go on.
Mark it.
Me nobody want the car, Jimmy. Go on, mark it. Go on. We forever go and use you. No bother the car, you see me? We work with Jimmy.
I just me and me
Yam banana and cocoa.
Dashina Irish. Friend for life. Yam dashing banana cocoa. Akidaya. Feel out back on the market again.
Dashing. Russell Final community, you know.
Back from the market again.
Oh, we do it, you know.
Fresh. No chemical.
Yam banana, dashing and cocoa.
Yeah. We go.
Subscribe to Maggie Films.
Subscribe to Maggie Film now.
Subscribe to Maggie now.
Subscribe to Maggie Films, the best film ever. One Texico, one Negril, one Maggie Films. So what do you know?
No juice. You first.
When I know you there.
We say behind the car. No, brother.
Yeah, I go pass one big tree right there, so a mango tree. And I go right around there, so I go see be a dog, and then I go go down the hill, and then see.
Me a good on one hill. Okay, so you have two options. You can either sit down flat or you can stand up and hold on each of our shoulder.
Alright, me hold on.
Alright, no problem. Let me get the car.
Hey! Squeeze! Hey! Baby donkey go a hee-haw. Donkey go a hee-haw. Donkey bring me one. Donkey bring me one. Anything we go down until top of seesaw. Anyway, you see the donkey, so me not care. Me not travel upon no country bus. Me a travel upon the donkey. Whoa, school. Me not travel upon no. Hey, yes, what that country boy? Not no nice like when I travel upon the donkey, no. I'm my son to tell you. Whoa, schoolie, come donkey, go on. Whoa, drink some water now. Tap a river now. Whoa, schoolie. Me not travel upon the country bus. Me a travel upon the donkey. Hey, brrr, hi, whoa, brrr, easy now donkey. Whoa.
And the donkey kato.
Maggie Films.
Maggie.